Hi, there will be a vise in a minute. I've discovered that this bit is missing from the updated workshop. So I come back with all these cupboards from the auction the other day. They cost £2 each. There's about 6 of them. There's the drawers. There's the one I had to smash up to get in the car. All right. And what I've done, I turned them into this under my new bench, look. Lots of drawers, nice lot of storage. Lovely and neat. This one here is proper quality. It is oak. And while I was in the tidy the workshop sort of mood, I thought I'd better do something with this area where I charge my batteries. So, with the addition of these ones you screw to the wall, I can now mount the batteries on the wall. If anyone wants them, they're on eBay for about £9 for 5. And you're looking for this sort. This sort is more heavy duty than the others. Now, I'm going to stick this picture in here. This is from Brian Gardner, who I'm sure you've all seen leave comments on loads of people's videos. This is his collection of restored vices. He doesn't have his own channel, so I've asked him if I can put them on mine, and he said yes. They are a lovely selection. Well done, Brian. You should start an Instagram page where you put the pictures on. We'd all love to look at them. There are a couple more, but I lost the pictures because I'm an idiot. Now, just a very quick warning. This is a nail. I used it to try and free off a can of expanding foam. This is some of what happened. This is my big vise, and this is the floor and my car jack. Don't mess with cans of expanding foam if they don't want to let the foam out when they're half used. Right. Going to do this one today. Right. Little record number 0. Still got the sticker on, but there's oil everywhere, so, and it's in really good condition. So, as before, knock out that little pin. No funny stories today. Oh, they've got funny stories, but as you can probably guess, some of my funny stories are not for retelling. They might be taken down and used as evidence against me. So, had a funny day yesterday. Had to go and rescue lots of different people from the weather problems. I got really sidetracked yesterday and didn't get round to doing a vise before I went to work, which was, you know, a bit wrong of me. So I'm whacking this one out quickly because my wife's already been out and bought the rolls for dinner. Burgers today, people. Burgers, burgers, burgers. Pin, look, another pin. Remember with the pins, don't go all the way through, or you'll get what I've just got here and you won't be able to turn it round. There we are. Loosens everything. Alright. Plop, plop, plop. This one's so clean, it's a shame, it's a real shame to do anything to this one. But, I mean, there's rust on the top here, there's rust on the jaws, there's rust on the slide, so, you know, it's all got to come off, isn't it? Trying to get a nice record leader the other day. Record leader welded. It's a box section welded vise, a record leader. I shall stick a picture in. Bloke wanted 175 and 23 postage. I offered to swap him for a record 74 finished, but he liked it, but he said he wouldn't use it, so no point. Anyway, I offered him, in the end, I offered him 127 for the vise and 23 postage. And I said that was my limit. Originally it was 100, and I went up, 27, and I went up the postage because I was going to collect it. And he come back at 135, 8 quid dearer, but I've got to go and collect it. So, no. So I'll let it go. Shame, but I mean, trouble with me with keepers is I want them cheap. Otherwise I see them sitting there and I see the pound signs and I think, nah. I mean, I can't have that sort of money. I don't mind having a £150 vise if I paid 50 quid for it. And I've made it worth 150, but I can't be sitting there looking at £150 that I've invested and be happy with it sitting on the side. I'm mean. Mean or sensible, don't know. Right. See, I've not seen for a long while a Jack's shed. I mean, I haven't seen a video from Jack's shed for ages. I know sometimes YouTube just doesn't show you that there's one available, but I shall have to go and have a look. But I mean, Jack comes out with some classic. Look at this, well. Jack comes out with some classic rare tools. So I miss his videos when they're not about. So I need this 4 o'clock, it's 4:30 in the afternoon now. I've got a shower at 1:30, so I said, oh, dinner's going to be ready in 25 minutes. So I've got to strip this vise down. I've got to fucking peel the paint off and spray it in the next 25 minutes. At a push, I can do that in the morning and crack on. So it's a 30-minute vise. Right, 30-minute vise. So here's what the 25-minute vise looked like 25 minutes ago. So it's back to a nice original blue, and well, you got to go gold with the lettering, ain't you, on this? Gold and blue works so well, nearly as well as red and gold. Right, I'm going to say bye for now. Oh, leave some Brian Gardner comments down below and we'll see if we can get him to do an Instagram page with all his vices. That would be good. Right, bye for now.